In this video, I'm making a working Pokemon emulator in Minecraft. If you don't know what an emulator is, I'm going to be able to play Pokemon from within the Offline TV Minecraft server. It's crazy. In about a day, I'm going to have more channel views on YouTube than I have channel views on Twitch after one video. First things first, the title is not clickbait, chat. We are going to code Pokemon into Minecraft. There are a couple options when it comes to playing Pokemon. There's basically two ways that I could implement Pokemon within Minecraft. The first way is code an emulator in Lua, which is the language that these Minecraft computers use, and then put that onto the server. But the problem with that is that Lua is a very slow language, and running Lua on a Minecraft server is an even slower way to run code. Also, Lua is bad, and coding emulators is hard. So yeah, we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it a slightly different way. What we're going to do, I'm sure you guys saw the Turtle Gambit video, but similarly to how we're transferring data between my computer and the Minecraft server, we're going to transfer data between my computer, which is going to have an emulator running on it, and the Minecraft server. So we're basically going to stream a video of the emulator screen from my computer into Minecraft. And then we're going to also stream some data the other way, like button presses, etc. But yeah, that's the plan. Plan is complicated. The scheme is sophisticated. First things first, I need to find a Game Boy emulator. What's the best Pokemon emulator? Or Game Boy Advanced emulator? Server Boy, a Game Boy emulator. This is literally what I need. It's a headless Game Boy emulator with hooks for scripting and streaming output. I'm literally trying to stream output. I'm trying to script and stream output. So this is interesting. 160 by 144. Oh, that's perfect. Wait, 160 pixels by 144 pixels. So if we look in Minecraft, we're going to be running this off of monitors. And we need a computer. Okay, so it's 160 by 144. Let's try like 4 by 3 monitors. The screen is 79 by 38, but we can also multiply this by 2 and by 3 respectively. Because if you look at a single pixel on the screen, for example, right here, I'll show you. And this is actually the size of a pixel. It's actually taller than it is wide. So basically what we can do is we can split these pixels into groups of 2 and 3. Or like 2 by 3. So we can have one pixel up here. We can have another pixel right here. And a third pixel down here. But the problem with this, because there is a problem. The problem with this is that each of these areas, each of these 2 by 3 areas can only have 2 colors in it at the same time. So if there happens, like, this would be a completely valid thing to draw. But if this pixel happened to be a slightly different shade of red, I could not draw this. So what I would have to do is approximate it and make it like that. Like, that's the best I can do. So that's one problem we're going to run into. But our resolution that we're going for is 160 by 144. So we do need more monitors. Let's see if this is big enough. Is 156. So yes, this would be a perfect size. Okay, let's get started here. Let's make a new project. So, new project. So what's a good name for this project, chat? Ottomated. Oh, I like Ottomated. Ottomated it is. All right, new file. New folder. Source. Yarn create TypeScript to initialize a TypeScript project. All right. So this added typing to my project. Let's add a script called dev, and we do yarn build and node dist/index. So now if I do yarn build, invalid string. What the hell? Is there a typo in here? Oh, I just didn't save the file. GBC emulator in the terminal. Holy shit. Why? Why would they make this? Alright, Server Boy. So what Server Boy is, chat, if you missed it earlier. Server Boy is a Game Boy emulator that we can run from JavaScript, which is POG. Because what we can do is run the Game Boy emulator in the cloud and then transfer the data into Minecraft and plonk it right onto the screen. So let's just make a loop and advance the emulator 1 frame at a time, each time. So every 30th of a second we do gameboy.doFrame, and we want to console.log gameboy.getScreen. Let's see. Okay, we got an error. It didn't compile like it should have. I might have to do star as Game Boy from Server Boy. Ah, there we go. Look. Colors are appearing on the screen. It's sometimes black. This is a black screen. It's now all black. Is this supposed to be all black? Yeah, it's like very white now. It flashed to black and now it's back white and now it's black again. Alright, so we have the screen. We now want to transfer the screen to Minecraft, which is going to be a bit difficult. Just a tad. So we want to install the WebSocket package, just like we did for the Turtle Gambit. Import server from WS, I believe. Const WSS equals new server. And I basically, actually, I just want to look, I want to look at some code. Basically, I want to look at the code that I wrote for the Turtle Gambit and just copy all of that I can. Okay. Yoink. 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 Alright, that's all we can yoink. But that's plenty of yoinkage. Hydrate? Yeah, let me get some water. Alrighty. Here we are. In the Game Boy. So we have a connection to Minecraft. Now we have to write the part on Minecraft's side that's going to connect to the server. Which is, again, basically just the same thing that we did for the Turtle Gambit. Except this time, instead of a turtle, it's just a normal computer. So let's yoink some of that code, too. Because I wrote good code. Don't want to waste time writing good code twice. Hey, this is what coding is, chat. Coding is reusing other people's code and your own code as much as you can. So we want to accept a message from the server. We want to decode that message. Actually, no. We don't want to decode that message to JSON. Let's just do this right now. Let's see if we establish a connection just by doing this. We want to do ws.send hello. All right, here we are. Paste bin run boom. Hello. Okay, so we got the hello message from our server. Very simple. Very simple. I'm glad that worked. Now we can get that shit out of the way and start working on the cool part. So basically, there's 2 types of messages that I can send across this connection. Thank you for the $, Pascal. There's 2 types of data. One of them is text, such as this hello. And I did use text for the Turtle Gambit, but I think the better way to transfer data is by using binary. We want to send binary messages because basically what we're going to do is just use our custom video file format that we did for the Pokemon screen and just transfer those across the internet. So, how do I send a binary message? If I send new buffer, or buffer.from 012. So this should be a binary message, I think. Invalid. Oh look, it sent three weird bytes. Yes. Okay, so I think this worked. I think this did work. Yeah. So now I just have to transfer the .covid files, which stands for compressed automated video. We have to send the COVID files over the network. We can send normal data. We want to send COVID data. What does COVID data look like? Well, we have to create COVID data at... Ow, I just poked my own eye while I'm itching my head. Oh, my eye. We have to create COVID data out of what we get from the Game Boy. So let's load up our COVID encryptor. COVID compressor. Wait, isn't COVID bad for monetizing YouTube videos? We have to call it something else. Craft OS PC. Here we are. Okay, yeah, YouTube. Right here is the folder. Here's an example COVID file, but what we want is the COVID file generator, which is right here. All right, here we are. So we want to yoink this part of the code, which is what converts it into data that can be shown on this screen in Minecraft. So this converts YouTube videos to that data. What we want to do is we want to convert these numbers into that data. We want to get the colors like so. We want to install the palette library. Playtext. Yarn add Playtext. So step 1, gameboy.doFrame. That advances the emulation by a frame. Step 2, we get the screen. So const pixels equals get gameboy.getScreen. Number 2, const colors equals, we have to import palette from Playtext. Colors equals palette. Pixels. And then the width of the screen, what was the width again? 160 or something? Oh, it's 160 by 144. Okay. Const width equals 160. Height equals 144. Alright, so then instead of writing 160 raw, we just want to write width for Y height and for X in the width. Alright, here we are. Go. A bunch of zeros should come out. Okay, it crashed. We fucked something up. Alright, this time it should not crash though. Oh. This time it shouldn't crash. I mean, this time. It crashed. Not read property 0 of undefined. Oh, it's because I'm stupid. Yeah, okay. The next time, though, definitely not gonna crash. Guaranteed. Oh, Biono Pog. Alright. Go. Don't crash. Bunch of zeros! Let's go! Bunch of zeros created successfully. Pog champ. Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. We have a bunch of zeros. We now want to convert this into a compressed automated video. zlib has been yoinked, so now we can compress the automated video, which is why it's called a COVID file. Const compressed, boom, boom, down here. Like so. Alright, so now we have our buffer. So now all we have to do is ws.send buffer, and now we're done. So this should receive the video frame when we run it, I think. Look, there's the video, the compressed automated video. Hog. Now we just have to turn this from compressed bytes into an actual video file, or an actual image. I want to copy this code over onto the Minecraft computer. Did I already put it on pastebin? Yeah, I did. Paste bin get boom startup. Invalid handshake response. That's because I'm not running the code. Boom, code is now running.
Whoa, we have an intruder on our premises.
Maybe you should up.
All right, here we are, chat. This should work. This should actually work. If I did this right. Wait, I need to edit this a bit. Oh, wait, it is working. It's working, chat. I just have to make it a bit faster, which I can do. I think it's working, it's just slow. Doesn't look like, okay, I'm just gonna run it at 120 FPS. I don't know. Oh, it's working. It's just super slow. Wait, okay. And it's also off the side. Yeah, okay, I got this, chat. Wait, I got this. Why is it so fucking slow, dude? Where's the latency coming from? Is it coming from the JavaScript? Is it coming from the Lua? Is it coming from drawing it on the screen? Is it coming from Minecraft? Hey, Jeff, come see this.
What's up?
It's running.
Oh.
It's very slow right now.
Can you click it? Is
No.
it possible?
This is just a stream of the image. We're gonna skip frames, chat. What a 5-head idea. Do frame. We just do 3 frames in one, and then we send it every 20th of a second. Yarn dev. Reboot. It's not faster. Sad.
Jeff?
It's probably because my image encryption algorithm is bad and laggy. Alright, let's run this. Oh, wow, it's smooth as fuck. I can't tell if it's laggy or if the actual game just looks like that. Skip 1 frame on top of that should smooth it out. Alright, we'll do it with an additional frame skip. Well, that was a record time to the title screen. I mean, honestly, it's not that bad. Like, if this was the final project, I would not be sad. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. That would be the D-pad. And each of these would have a custom screen graphic on them. And then A, B. And then start, select. So that's one option. The problem with this is, it's kind of bad. I mean, I guess if we made it like this, it would be better. Ah, but now you're too close to it. Maybe like this. You're kind of too far. Like, the FOV is kind of a lot. Let's just keep going. Now what we need to do is we need to detect when the user clicks buttons on the screen and then send those buttons back to my computer and then process those buttons and basically emulate the button presses, and then we're done. So let's go. So we count the pixels. This is 4 pixels down and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pixels over. So 15 by 4. Easy clap. I think tomorrow we're going to do the buttons. That's right. Full speed, high resolution emulation working in Minecraft. We manually did it. We did all of the manual calculations to generate the subpixels. This is what we did yesterday. It took a really long time to get all of these pixels working. As soon as the user clicked on the screen, it used to take like 10 to 20 seconds for the click to actually go down. Or like for the click to actually go through. Because it was so behind and laggy because my implementation of drawing the screen was so bad. But now, as soon as I click, it instantly comes through. See? Monitor touch. Which means that as soon as I click the button on this monitor, I get a monitor touch event. That's on monitor 17 because that's the ID of this set monitor. And I know the X position and the Y position. So I can tell exactly what button they press on. The D-pad, the BA, start select, and you can send those button presses up to the server. So that's what we're going to do today. And the first step in that is detecting what button the user is pressing. So all we have to go on, as you can see right here, it says monitor touch. It also detects my mouse clicks. It says monitor touch. It tells you the monitor that is being touched, and it tells you the X and Y position. So what we need to do is we need to write down the coordinates of all of these rectangles that define the different buttons. So like this rectangle over here, this rectangle, a rectangle over here around the B and around the A, and down here, etc.
1 hour later.
Now we have this very carefully discovered list of X and Y coordinates that will be completely different if we make any changes to our gamepad image. So let's not do that, huh? If we receive a WebSocket message, then we draw it on the screen, because a WebSocket message means that there's an image to display on the screen that we need to display. On the other hand, if we receive a monitor touch event, we need to send data up to the server saying the user clicked this button. All right, let's see. This should work. Okay. Start. Okay. It started. We press start again. What do I do now? A. B. Why is it not starting? Select? It is not working, unfortunately. What is wrong with it? Alright, is this working? If I press A, it says, oh, it doesn't say pressing A, does it? It doesn't say pressing A. Okay, so somewhere along this chain of passing messages from the turtle to the server to the other thread, somewhere along that chain it's getting broken and the message is not going all the way through. So let's see if the button is actually detecting being pressed. Press A. It says pressing A. It says pressing B, start, select. Yeah. Left or right up, left down. Okay, so it's detecting my key presses over here. So something else is going wrong. Well, is the WebSocket receiving them? Oh, wait, it detected the A press, but didn't detect anything else. This is quite weird. Console.log WS pressing data. Where is the message getting lost? So pressing A, it detected it here. It didn't detect it here. If I press A a bunch of times, it's not getting the message. It throws an error if the message is too large, and it throws an error if the WebSocket has been closed. Okay, here's an idea, chat. What if we ignore drawing the pictures on the screen? Which I can do just by doing this. So now it's not gonna draw any of the graphics. Alright, but now it is running, and it should still detect buttons being pressed, yeah. Now we get the message all the way through. If I press B, ooh, it still doesn't come all the way through here. Huh. This is weird. Is it still not optimized enough? That's the question. Was that all that optimization not enough? Okay, it's going at like 8 milliseconds when it used to take 40 milliseconds. Holy shit, already better. Editor, zoom in on the frame counts again. It's maxing out at about 11, 20. So now what happens when it's in a full color screen? Oh, holy shit, it's still 10 milliseconds. It's still 10 milliseconds. That got rid of all the optimization issues. Remember when this was at 40 to 120? Now it's at 0 to 20 every single frame, even with the full colors. Even with the full colors. Oh, feels good. Oh, it feels so good. This is why you code, chat. The natural high that comes after solving a bug. It's addicting. And it's running at a higher frame rate now, even. Holy shit, you can even see these! You couldn't see those before! You couldn't see the little unknown spelling out crystal because there was a flaw in the color generation function. Only problem is buttons don't work for some reason, but... Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so why... I pressed A and I need to press start to start? Okay, I pressed start. It's not even bringing me to the menu, though. I'm pressing start. Oh, shit! It's still not good, though. You see. At least the screen loads. Oh, I just turned into a little guy. Okay. I'm guessing my room isn't supposed to look like the void. This must be another color issue. So what this means is that there are more than 16 colors on the screen. And the floor is one of the 16 colors that's being replaced with black. Let's go outside. Holy shit. Oh, pog. Very painful to walk. Where's my door? Must be over here. Chat, this is big progress. This is such big progress, in fact, that we're almost done. All right, input. So what I'm doing is currently I'm pressing, whenever the key is pressed, I just instantly pressed it. Or I instantly press it on the computer side. But what I want to do, I need to wait until I'm about to do a frame calculation and then press the key. So what I'll do is const keys pressed, and I'll make a list of all the keys that are being pressed. And then every time you press a key, if you aren't already pressing that key, then I will add it to the list of keys that you're pressing. Okay, let's see if this input fix works. It's working better. Like it's slightly more reliable. I guess it's better. Nice. Okay, let's see if this works. Start. Okay, so far so good. Start. A. Ha ha ha! Let's fucking go. It works, chat. It works. $100% works. Let's go. I knew that fix would work. I was so confident in that fix. If that didn't work, I would be very sad with myself. My instinct as a programmer of 6 years told me that that fix would work. I don't know. Well, did you hear I finished Pokemon?
Wait, actually, can I see it?
Yeah, I'm building an arcade down here.
This is kind of a dungeon.
It's I don't know. I thought it would look cool.
I kind of like it. You need some RGB lights or something. I am ready to play.
All right, ready?
Yep. Oh!
There we go.
It's Ditto? I never noticed that. Guys, this is Crystal. Otto put Crystal into the game. I should have played the music so you guys could hear the music at the same time. Press start. You don't wanna watch the video? That's Suicune. You don't wanna watch the video? So cool. Crystal version. Okay. New game. Are you a boy or are you a girl? Well, we can be a boy for the purposes of this. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. Dallas, I'm playing Pokemon in Minecraft. But wait, can I put my screen out here? We don't know about everything about Pokemon yet.
Is she liking it? I can't tell because she's not talking.
We're gonna be Are you ready? Aye, Captain. We're speedrunning tonight. What if we got a shiny? Oh. Otto, did you put my bedroom in the Shadow Realm as well?
It's because of the colors being buggy. It looks better when you get outside. It only can show 16 colors at a time, and it shows all the other colors as black. But what I need to do is just choose the better 16 colors to show.
Otto, I don't remember where the door is.
I think it's at the top right.
Oh, I was gonna say top left. Ooh, ah! Yo, does your mom ever greet you like that, guys? Give me my Pokemon! Otto.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, where did you come from? Anyway.
What's up?
Otto, I can't, like, press the buttons and see the screen.
Would it be easier if you were like standing up a block?
No, I think that's worse.
What if you put your
I think
FOV
they need
up?
to be closer together.
Yeah, I can
Actually,
do that.
maybe I can stand back. Yeah, okay. If I stand back, it's okay, but I think
If
it'd
you
be
change
better
your
if
FOV
they...
in settings, it's a bit better.
Sorry?
If you change your FOV in settings.
I
think
don't
it's
know
a
what
bit
that
better.
means, Otto. I came here for a good
like-
time, not an education.
It's like how wide you can see.
I don't have glasses, Otto. I'm gonna choose, who's in the middle? I'm gonna pick the middle one. I hope it's Totodile.
It seems arbitrary.
Is it Totodile? It's Totodile!
Oh. Lucky.
Give me my Totodile! Let me nickname him! Otto, it's lagging.
Yes. It's in Minecraft. Only
Otto?
so much I can-
That's no
Yeah.
excuse.
Yeah, you're right. I need to make it 60 FPS.
Honestly, that'd be great if you could do that.
144 hertz,
Yeah.
4K. Yeah, I should actually just remake all the Pokemon to be more high res, you know?
Wait, can you do that?
No.
You suck, Otto. Gee. Guys, what are we gonna name him? Let's call him Poggers. I mean, we could just call him Pooh. It would probably be easier. Guys, I think naming him was a mistake. Okay, we're so close. We're so close, guys. Pog. No! Okay, I believe. Otto, I want my money back.
Which money?
I can't put an S. Help me. What? Why did it work straight away for you?
I don't know. It's just a bit laggy sometimes.
Poggers! Well, at least now Otto's doing it for us. Good night, cat. Sweet dreams. Thanks, Otto.
Yeah, no problem. It's fun to make.
Yeah, it sort of do seem like it's getting a bit slower.
Yeah. I mean, it's not done yet. Like, it can't even save the game.
I can't. What is the point of playing if we can't even save? There's no point.
One sub to Safabi. They have
What
given
the
4 gift subs in the channel.
It can't even save. But it's awesome though. Otto works hard. Oh, it's amazing. Don't get me wrong. But I was gonna grind it. I was gonna grind it, guys.
And now the question is, what do we want the arcade to look like at the mall? Alright, let's go to the void. So yeah, if we make it like this, chat, and then we make a door right here that's Pokemon, door right here that's something else, door right here that's something else, door right here, like a bunch of different doors, all with a Game Boy inside. I think that could potentially be good. Oh yeah, I should make each one a different color. Oh, yes, that's very smart. Yes, if I cover up the yellow with a different color, I can have each room be like a different color Game Boy. Alright, go. Click on the portal, and instantly teleported into the beautiful arcade. Choose your bay, put in your floppy disk, and the game automatically boots up. I think this is Pog. Alright, so this would be an arcade machine. What does an arcade machine look like? I think this is doable. I do need a lot more blocks though.
1 hour later.